Hello student, welcome to this class. Now this is just a brief introduction on what you are going to handle throughout the topic on taxable income. And the first thing we all need to understand, or we all need to know, is simply how to calculate what we call taxable income. What is taxable income? Now we'll go through two scenarios here, which is the first case, and that I've noted it as case 1. Then we'll move to the second case, which is case 2. In case 1, we want to find out what is a taxable income. Suppose an employee is not given a house by the employer. We'll simply need to add the basic salary to all the allowances. This will give us the taxable income. And when we look at case number 2, when an employee is provided with a housing, the taxable income will simply be basic salary added to all the allowances, and also not forget to add 15% of the basic salary less the nominal rent. When you add all these three, we'll be able to get what we call taxable income. So this is just the first part of this tutorial. You are simply finding out how can we calculate taxable income. Another key item here, which is the income tax table. How can we interpret this income tax table? Income tax table can be represented either monthly or yearly, where now yearly will have what we call per annum. Then I've also written here the key main points you'll be encountering in each and every question you come across that requires you to use income tax table. So let us first of all go through what an income tax table is. When you look at this first column, this is simply the income in Kenyan pounds. Kenyan pounds is written as that. This is Kenyan pounds. 1 pound is equivalent to 20 shillings. So Kenyan pound is just 20 shillings. So when we try and interpret this income tax table, we look at this other side, and the rate is simply in shillings per pound. It means their respective rates are as shown below. And excess simply means when the amount of money is exceeding 22,224, the rate of tax that will be charged for this amount of money will be 6 shillings for every pound. Now, income tax is tabulated according to duration. So in case you look at an income tax and you notice that on this side there is no per month and it has been indicated here per year, simply means the tax rates are given in years or annually. So the table here represents an annual tax table. The rate sometimes can either be in percentage or in pounds. This is also another part you should be on the lookout for. This is just an introductory part on what we will be going through throughout this topic of commercial arithmetics and the last section known as income tax. I'd wish to see you in the next tutorial. Bye.